Hey there, fellow web developers. Today, we're going to be looking at a really cool JavaScript library that can help you add some serious visual flair to your websites. It's called Neat Gradients, and it's all about creating those eye-catching animated gradients you've seen on trendy AI and SaaS sites. So, what exactly can you do with Neat Gradients? Well, you can generate all sorts of dynamic gradient patterns, from classic linear gradients to more abstract shapes, zigzags, even polka dots. And the best part is, you have complete control over the colors, sizes, and animation speeds. Now, let's break down how to get started. Download the Neat Gradients package and include the core JavaScript file in your HTML document. You can find the live demo and download link in the video description below. Once you've got it set up, you've got a few different methods to play with. Let's start with Neat Linear. This one's great for creating animated linear gradients with multiple colors. It's super simple to use and gives you that smooth, flowing effect. But what if you want something a bit more complex? That's where Neat Abstract comes in. This method creates more intricate, abstract patterns that can really make your site stand out. For a bold, geometric pattern, try the Neat Zigzag method. If you're feeling a bit retro, you might want to try out Neat Polka Dots. As the name suggests, it creates a fun, animated polka dot pattern. It's a great way to add some personality to your design. Last, but not least, we've got Neat Up-Down Triangles. This one generates a cool pattern of animated triangles, alternating between upward and downward facing. It's pretty mesmerizing to watch. Now, you might be wondering, how does this all work behind the scenes? Essentially, Neat Gradients uses a clever combination of JavaScript and CSS. It creates these complex gradient patterns using CSS, and then animates them smoothly using JavaScript's Request Animation API. This ensures the animations are performant and work well across different browsers. I've included a link to the Neat Gradients, Jay's documentation, and some cool demos in the description below, so be sure to check them out. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more web development tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.